Hi guys, so I'm going to discuss with you again some more problems on superposition theorem. In my last video I have discussed with you about the theorem and one basic problem and what are the rules and regulation and steps to solve the superposition theorem. So this is another problem. In a given circuit, let us find out Ix current by using superposition theorem. So the circuit is clearly mentioned here. It consists of three sources. Is clearly seen. It consists of one current source having 120 ampere current, 50 ohm resistor, one other 150 ohm resistor, one voltage source 10 volt and one current source that is 40 ampere. So in total it consists of three sources. Source 1 which is a voltage source, source 2 current source that is 40 ampere and source 3 current source that is 120 ampere and two passive elements which we can say is this two resistances 50 ohm and 150 ohm. So in this problem we are going to find out the current Ix by using superposition principle. Now as per the superposition principle we will use one source at a time and we will make the other sources in ideal conditions. Like if it is a voltage source we will short circuit it while we will consider the current sources. Now if it is a current source we will open circuit it. Now let us redraw the circuit. So we will take source 1, that is we will consider only the voltage source and we will make the current sources ideal. So for making the current sources ideal we will replace the current sources with open circuit and this is my voltage source. So I will find out the current I1 flowing through this due to the source 1, that is 50 ohm across the 50 ohm and 150 ohm resistor. Now in this circuit 50 ohm and 150 ohm we can consider it as both are in series. So we will find out now total current I1 equal to voltage by RT. So 10 by 50 plus 150 which is 10 by 200 which is 0.05 ampere. Now step 2 we will take second source alone, which here we will consider that is IB 40 ampere. We will make the voltage source shorted and first current source open circuited. So now this particular current IB is getting divided in these two branches. So we will use current division formula. Like the I2 is equal to total current IB into opposite branch resistance by total resistance. So 40 into 150 by 200 we get 30 ampere. Now step 3 we will take third source alone. So considering the third source alone, we will consider 120 ampere source. We will make the voltage source shorted and we will make the current source open circuited. So we will find out the current through this particular branch by due to the third source. So I3 equal to, now here I have given a negative sign which indicates that my direction is opposite, because this current source the direction is downward which is getting divided in these two branches. But as in my question the direction is given in this particular direction from left to right, so I will use this negative sign. So I3 equal to total IA current into 50 opposite branch resistance by total resistance, which gives me minus 30 ampere. Thus by superposition theorem I will find out Ix. So Ix equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, that is 0.05 plus 30 minus 30 ampere as per the sign convention. I get a value of 0.05 ampere. Okay, thank you.